What's going on? In this video, I'm going to be drawing a hand, and it's going to be in a little perspective. So I know I've been getting a lot of comments on the index finger, why the foreshortening is the way it is. So I got a DM from someone saying, "Oh, just make a video about it." So I said, "All right, I'll make a video to explain it more for the beginning artist to understand why it is the way it is." And so now the way I always do my hands, I always have it where it's like I do like a box shape and a cylinder for where the arm would be, and then I'll have, sometimes I'll do cylinders for the fingers, but sometimes I'll do boxes for fingers, like you see on the left one right there, where I'll use boxes to kind of rough out where I think the fingernail will be and everything like that. And on other fingers, I kind of just I'll just draw like a straight line through. I mean, since the fingers is elongated forward, I'll like just make a straight line, and then I'll add in the wrinkles as I go along, because the way I go is I use each finger will have three cylinders for each finger, except for the thumb. I think the thumb is usually about 2. And you see right here for that finger, as you see in the picture, the is foreshortened, and then foreshortened isn't necessarily to where the finger is bigger. In this case, the finger is smaller, only because when the camera is farther away, it's going to be smaller going out, but when the camera is close in, that's when the finger is bigger. And a lot of people get confused on the perspective on foreshortening, on those type of things, where they feel like, oh, it has to be bigger all the time. Like, no, it's farther away, so it's gonna look smaller. That's why you see it in the picture. And so right now I'm adding in the shading, cross hatching, roughing out all the shadows. And hands aren't difficult to do. It's just takes a lot of practice, and then once you get the hang of it, it's all about drawing. You always start off drawing shapes, cylinders, triangles, all that stuff. It seems pretty basic, but when you learn how to do that and learn how to put them together like building blocks, then it'll be easy to make fingers, body parts, legs. The majority of poses that I use, I'm always using shapes. I'll use shapes a majority of the time when if it's a hard pose to figure out, and or if it's like a certain type of foreshortening to do. Sometimes I'll sketch out the poses or sketch out the hand, and if it's like a particular finger or a particular joint that's moved in a particular way or foreshortened in a certain way, I'll throw a shape in there just to see, so my eyes can see where that angle is going to go, or how it's being foreshortened, because sometimes the foreshortening can get kind of crazy. But in this case, you see that the finger, it looks like it's broken or it's missing, but that's the way it is. That's visually, that's what your eyes see. You can't add in what your eyes don't see. They add in what your eyes see. Like if your eyes see the finger like that, or it looks where it's like something is missing or distorted or whatever, that's the way it is. But I mean, in your head or when you draw the picture, that's how it looks. But when other people see it but never seen or the reference or where you got it from, then they won't understand. Like that's the way it looks. That's how the end result will be or look like. So right now I'm adding in little rough details, just a little shadows, touches here and there. Trying to add in as much as I can, as far as not getting too crazy with it. Just something I usually warm up with. This is actually my second time drawing this picture, because someone said, "Oh, just make a video to explain it a little better." So I says, "All right, I'll draw it again, and then I'll explain it better so that you can easily understand, why it's foreshortened the way it is." And touches to the fingernails. Fingernails has that extra piece of white hanging in there. Make sure I'm adding, try to get everything I can get in there, or as far as I can go. Shadows on the knuckles, try to get the knuckles in. Last minute darkening. I like to darken out the majority of the outlines. But that's it for this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe. All right, take care.